My favorite part of the program has been the amazing community, from staff to my cohort teammates to the keynote speakers to, of course, my mentors and just everybody that comes to volunteer, in this program.
The favorite part for me in this incubator program would definitely be getting to know the other founders. I thought, coming into this, I was really looking forward to learning the new material, getting invigorated with my own idea and growing that. But just being around all of the other founders, their enthusiasm, their knowledge, their integrity to grow something properly, it was awesome.
I think my favorite part of this incubator program has really been the people. I've been so inspired by the other companies, everybody's goals, everybody's missions. I think it's in a really, really incredible group, and getting to be surrounded by those people has been an incredible experience. So I think it's definitely the people.
I think one of the biggest challenges was trying to create a company that really reflected our own values and trying to create a business model around that. Our true intent is really to help students be successful, and if money gets in the way of that, then we're really not accomplishing our goal of helping anybody.
The biggest challenge that we faced are the time limits that we have. So each of us right now have other full-time jobs, but we are trying to squeeze as much time as we could on developing anyone. And so everyone has been working, I think, over 80 hours a week.
I think the biggest challenge for us is identifying our competitive advantage. So the way we resolved this was by doing a lot of interviews with customers, trying to find gaps in the market. But for us, that was our biggest challenge.
Words of advice that I might have for people who want to join TechUp in the future. Do it.
I'd say do it.
You should do it.
Should do it.
Just do it.
Just do it. Apply. Go for it. Don't think twice. Just the experience is amazing. You're going to gain so much. You're not going to regret it. It's going to help you grow, not just as a person, but as a business person, as a leader in the community. And you're going to be surrounded by brilliant minds.
Definitely, I would highly recommend it. You get to not just utilize your cohort network, but also the experts that come through different lecture series. They bring a lot of different perspective.
I guess you don't have to have it all together. I am already in a few stores, but there are lots of brands here who are really just working on their prototype. So I would say it's really open to anybody at no matter what stage you're at to apply and be a part of the program.
If you have an idea, right? And no matter what stage in that idea you are, whether you're very early on or you've gone well established, bring it here to the incubator, right? I think this program is a learning experience, and the best way to be a successful business, the best way to be a successful entrepreneur is to continually keep growing, establishing and building that network, and finding ways to be different and be innovative.
I think you should pursue your dream, no matter what people say, no matter how much you get shut down, no matter how many rejections you get. Every single no is the closest to a yes, and just follow your dream and passion and don't stop. Never give up.